What's going on? Welcome to the game. Cornell here, Mac Landscaping and Lawn Care. Today we are going to be building the leaf box. As you can see right here, right now, we just put this on. I'll show you the inside. There's my boy. What up, Jackie boy?
Another beautiful day in paradise.
It is a beautiful day in paradise. A beautiful day in paradise. But check it out. Here's what we did. Let me get up inside the dump truck. This is the roof right here. As you can see, last year I had 2x10 stacked up 5 high. This was extremely heavy. Very, very heavy. It's over there on the side of the compound. You can't see those bugs, but there are bugs everywhere around here. Just because it's warm today. Disgusting. I don't know what to do. Let me know in the comments what I should do about those bugs. But we had these 2x10 stacked up 5 high, and then just like I have here, we had 2x4s that braced those together, and then I had more 2x4s that braced that to this or connected them, and I would just unscrew them. I have carriage bolt holes, so they went right here. You see these holes? They went right there and up here somewhere. You can't see them now because we've covered them up, but I would take that off. Man, I almost killed myself several times. Don't do that, man. Don't do that. This year, we went with a much lighter option, and it was actually way cheaper. I wish I'd have done this in the first place, but sometimes I'm an imbecile. I admit it. It's all right. That's all right. Now, what we did was we got plywood. This is the good stuff. Treated plywood. It is 1/2 inch thick. And we put some 2x4 so that we can recess the roof down in here, and then we got some old scrap wood that we put to brace the roof here, but 2x4s connected with carpenter screws, I believe these were, and then these are just some regular wood screws that we got to brace everything so it's nice and strong. I'm gonna use my Milwaukee. I have a Milwaukee, what is that thing called? Oscillating saw. Milwaukee oscillating saw to knock off all of these screw heads so me and Jack don't hurt ourselves. And I've already almost done that a couple times. I turn my ring around. Look at that. Anyway, but that's what we did. This was so much lighter. Was this much lighter, Jack?
Definitely.
Man, a few words. That's Captain Jack.
I didn't get built last year, so this is a whole new experience for me.
Yeah, he's right. He didn't. Last year, I did it on my own. I almost broke my fingers. I almost broke my arm. I'm telling you, man, when you put 2x10s together that are 10 feet long, it's heavy. It's very heavy. But we ain't doing that no more. 8-foot sheet of plywood. This is 19 inches tall. So all in all, I think we can do about 13 to 14 yards inside here total once we put the roof on. Now, that is enough talking from me. You see how we assembled it. 2x4s connected with carpenter screws. We made sure it was flush. I'm going to show you this side, but we made sure the back was flush. Right here, I have a strip of wood that's going to go from here over to there. We have some hinges that'll go across up top here so that we can have a swing away door over here when we open this dump bed and go dump. Let me show you real quick what we're going to use to vacuum up the leaves. Oh, that was some athleticism that you missed right there. You didn't get to see it. It is what it is, though. Over here, the debris loader, if I put it in this receiver, this is a 2.5 inch receiver. If I put that there, I also have to get that fixed. The little door thing came off. But right here, we got the 2.5 inch receiver. If I put the swing away hitch in there, it does not clear the truck bed all the way. So this tailgate can't come down. So what we did was, my guy Bill, he's a fabricator. He fabricates like big Halloween things. He has this Halloween show at his house, like where he makes a haunted house in his basement with all of this mechanical stuff that he built and welded. Yeah, he's a welder. he welded this on for me. So we put the swing away hitch in here. I'll show you a picture of it. But we put the swing away hitch in here so that it can get outside. Now, let's go inside so I can show you the debris loader and the swing away hitch, which I was gonna sell. I'm happy that I didn't. I'm happy I didn't sell that thing now, Jack.
Well, especially considering you got rid of the trailer.
Yeah, I had this 6x12 trailer that I sold and got rid of, and I thought I wasn't gonna use the swing away hitch anymore. Ha ha. I am gonna use it, and it's right here. Here's the swing away hitch. It's by Billy Goat. We got it on a couple of rollers next to the Salter, but this swing away hitch will be on the back, and here's what is this called? This isn't the receiver. Whatever that thing is called that goes into the receiver, it swings out this way from over here on this hinge point, from over there, and then boom, the debris loader's out of the way, and you're golden. Here she is over here. The compound crew guys, they stole my stuff, man, and I'm calling them out. They stole my stuff. I have an extra thing that goes on here to make it higher, so that I want to say it's like 24 inches, another 2 feet, makes this thing higher. So again, you see the picture, you've seen the picture, you seen how high it is, right? Yes, you did. They stole my stuff. They stole it. No, they didn't steal it. They asked me could they have it, and they ordered a new one, so I'm getting a new one for free, just so they could make their leaf buster trailer. And they're already out there killing it with the leaves. So shout out to my guys, man. Talon the Rockstar, Tommy with TM Landscaping, and the 7-foot giant pipes. You know them. Yeah, you know them. Jack knows them too. This right here is a swinging door, and it's cold, so it still hasn't dried. We painted this thing yesterday, but it still looks like it hasn't dried. But guess what? I don't even care. Hopefully we get this thing on here today, right, Jack?
That's the goal.
Yeah. And then we have to make one more cut, and then the leaf box will be done. But we're going to get to doing that, and we will check back in with you in a second. All right, so we are finished for today. I'll give you a little quick update. I put a whole lot more screws in here. And also on the back, we now have our brace on here. The opening for the mesh net or tarp, the mesh tarp. And then as you can see, the roof is on. I also added some extra bracing here and here, so there wouldn't be a lot of sway and everything back and forth. The last thing I have to decide is, do I put the swinging door on, or do we just pull the mesh tarp tight and then anchor it down here on the bottom, somewhere on the bottom of the dump truck, and then just cut like a hole in it for the debris loader to go into. Let me know down in the comments what you would do. But if you want to see the end result and the completion of the leaf box here for Leaf I Get In, then like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what type of leaf setup you have. And as always, I love ya, I appreciate ya, and I wish you nothing but success. And we out. Peace.